Today we're going to show you how to quickly change the shackle on your PACLOCK. Let's get started. First things first, it is important to know which side of your PACLOCK is what we call the long shackle side and the short shackle side. Here at PACLOCK, the long shackle side is the side of the lock where the longer side of the shackle stays retained in the padlock when it is unlocked. The short side would be the side that comes completely out. Almost always, the long shackle side of the padlock will have a small drainage hole. Knowing which side of the padlock is the long shackle side will be important later to ensure that we don't lose a ball bearing during this process. Now let's get into it. The only tool you will need to change your shackle is a 2.5mm Allen wrench, and in this case we have our handy, with PACLOCK you don't get screwed, screwdriver. Take your 2.5mm Allen wrench and remove the shackle retaining screw located on the back of the padlock. It is important to note, even with this screw removed, your PACLOCK is still 100% locked. The only function of the screw is to prevent the shackle from being launched when the padlock is unlocked in normal operation. Next, turn your PACLOCK so that the long shackle side of the padlock is facing up, with your left hand covering your shackle. This preparation is critical for two reasons. First, it keeps the internal ball bearing from either being lost or falling into the wrong place once the shackle is removed. And secondly, your left hand is preventing your shackle from launching out. Once you have your PACLOCK in position, turn the key as close to 90 degrees clockwise as you can to unlock your PACLOCK. You'll feel the shackle release. Now this is the time where you can lose your shackle spring, the ball bearing, or both. Be extra careful to keep the padlock oriented with the long shackle side facing up as best you can. Now it's time to install your new shackle. While still holding your key in that 90-degree position, grab and insert the new shackle. Push the shackle all the way into the closed and locked position. As you get the shackle fully installed, you can release the key and allow it to rotate into a locked position. Before removing your left hand, you want to verify that the shackle was fully seated and that the ball bearings are rotated and in position. Do that by simply pushing down on the shackle while it is in the locked position. You should feel slight play when you do. If your shackle does not have any play, your ball bearing has most likely fallen inside your PACLOCK on top of the shackle spring and is blocking the shackle from fully seating. No need to worry, just locate where the ball bearing is and reinsert it to the cutout section in your long shackle cutout. Once you have your new shackle installed and it's working normally, now you need to reinstall the shackle retaining screw and tighten it down. Complete a full functions test by opening and closing your PACLOCK. If everything feels normal, then congratulations, you have successfully changed your PACLOCK shackle.